afternoon and welcome to the IIJS virtual second edition powered by GIA. And we have a wonderful panel today with us here. We have Mrs. Vandana Saraf from Ashtra, Mr. Kamal Shah from Goldstring, Hyderabad, and we have Khushbu Ranawat and Novil Ranawat from Swan Shilp Chains in Mumbai from Zaveri Bazaar. So welcome for this panel discussion. हम शुरू करते हैं वंदना जी से. वंदना जी, आप एक लीडिंग रिटेलर हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के एंड you have so many different showrooms. So ये जो सीजन चल रहा है अभी आफ्टर द पैंडेमिक, ये कैसा चल रहा है? और आपने IIJS वर्चुअल में पार्टिसिपेट किया था अक्टूबर में, तो वो कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
Thanks Samit ji for having me on board for the panel discussion, and hello everybody on the panel. So considering the lockdown and the pandemic, we were not expecting such a bright season, but by God's grace, the season was bright. It was better than what we expected as retailers. Online exhibition was a big learning curve, and it was a great difference from the physical attending the exhibitions. It was much less of hassle. There was no physical exertion, and the entire merchandising team and the sales team could also participate into it. Being online, there were so many people who could be there easily available.
Our industry was actually following a very orthodox way of selling gold. And after lockdown, IIJS Virtual were our first exhibition, and we were very scared, like how will we sell our products after the pandemic, So it was a big game changer for us, because in virtual exhibition, buyers across the world had come on an online platform to do selection, and the best part was they were getting their goods, what they wanted, through a video call at their doorstep, without any travel risk, without anything.
It was my first show in IIJS Virtual. So I've been trying in IIJS physical exhibition since 4 years, but somehow lucky draw में हम लोग का नाम नहीं आ पाया कभी भी. So I am very lucky and fortunate that I got this opportunity to come in this IIJS Virtual. But I was also very scared कि कैसा जाएगा exhibition, how it will go. But I'm very glad that the entire, the entire India, entire world, that was standstill, but the virtual show was, the show was going on. So very happy for that. And first of all, I would tell the entire IIJS virtual team, जिस तरह से उन्होंने user friendly organize किया है, जो उन्होंने जो बनाया है ऐप जो इसका, और इसमें इतना यूजर फ्रेंडली था कि बायर और सेलर दोनों को कहीं पर भी दिक्कत नहीं आई. तो बेसिकली हम इस एग्जीबिशन से हमको बहुत ही ज्यादा बेनिफिट हुआ है, और काफी सारे नए क्लाइंट्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं इस एग्जीबिशन के बाद. तो हम लोग ये एग्जीबिशन जो हम लोग का हुआ है, उसमें हम लोगों ने काफी सारे आइटम्स हमारे इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे. लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी हमारी इंट्रोड्यूस की थी हमने, प्लस हमने डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी इंट्रोड्यूस की थी. तो वो काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस आया उसके लिए हम लोगों को. तो आई वुड बी वेरी ग्लैड टू से दैट कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमको बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ है.
Biggest change what we have noticed is that there are serious people now visiting the store, and they are much aware, and they have done a lot of homework before even they come to buy any kind of jewelry. And seeing the gold prices spiking, people have now slightly started moving towards diamonds also.
Thank you, Samit ji, first of all, for inviting us to speak on behalf of Swarnashilp. ये मैं बोलना चाहूंगी जरूर कि एक बार उदय कोटक जी ने बोला था, उदय कोटक, द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ कोटक बैंक, उन्होंने एक बार समित जी बोला था, जियोग्राफी इज हिस्ट्री. इन शॉर्ट, IIJS वर्चुअल ने ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म खड़ा किया है कि एक बार कस्टमर टायर 3 सिटी में बैठ के सिंगल स्टोर ओनर होके यूनिक और लेटेस्ट परचेसिंग कर सकता है अपने घर बैठे बैठे. एट द सेम टाइम वी कैन टैप इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स ऑल्सो. So this has opened up very, very new avenues for us as a supplier or a manufacturer to attend to new customers every year and not let the pandemic hamper our business.
तो मैं तो देख रहा हूँ कि आगे काफी अच्छे सेल्स होने वाले हैं. उसके काफी सारे रीजंस हैं. लोगों ने काफी ट्रस्ट डेवलप किया है गोल्ड के ऊपर. सो इन्होंने देखा है कि इट्स अ बेटर इन्वेस्टमेंट, और सबको गोल्ड की खरीदी करनी ही चाहिए, बिकॉज एक तो वो अच्छे रिटर्न्स भी देता है.
Next 6 months seem to be quite bright, although there is no wedding season. April तक कोई wedding season नहीं है, बट उसके बावजूद भी अक्षय तृतीया ऑनवर्ड्स मार्केट अच्छा पिकअप करना चाहिए।
I think business will be good and very good. I have no doubts about it, optimistically and positively. Because the society has a lot of things for us to offer, like virtual platform hai, ya beats available, all the different mediums that there are.
So we wrap this up here. We have got some very good feedback, especially from Vandana ji, from Kamal ji, from Khushbu, from Novel, that ready stock is very important. अभी as Vandana ji said कि ग्राहकी तो हो रही है, but stock नहीं मिल रहा है. So whoever is listening to this telecast, all of you, all the manufacturers participating, please have ready stock at the show, and which can be delivered within 1 month or maybe 45 days to all the retailers. And I think this is a very, very good advice from this panel, that ready delivery, ready stock, better stock, and a very, very good season will happen in the next 6 months. Thank you, all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Samit ji.
Thank
Thank you,
so much.
Samit ji.
Thank you so much.
And wish you
Thank
all
you,
the
Kamal
same.
ji. Thank you, Vandana ji.